Hold on, hold on. What are you going to do? Tell me what you're going to do. You going to close the dishwasher? Okay. Show us how strong you are. All right. You want to open it and do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you close it. Come hush. Good job. No, that's it, okay? Say all done.
No, I don't know. I have more, Dad.
You have more?
Yeah.
Okay, all done.
Say bye-bye.
Me five. All right. See you later. See you later, alligator. Oh, oh. Bye-bye.
See you later.